How to enable double tap to screenshot. Enabling double tap to take a screenshot feature can be very useful and time saving, especially if you frequently take screenshots. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option. Then scroll down and select the Touch option. Afterward, tap on the Assistive Touch option and turn it on by toggling the switch to the right. Now, select the Double Tap option from Custom Actions. Next, scroll down to find the Screenshot option and tap on it. This will add the Screenshot button to your Assistive Touch menu. Now, go back to the previous screen. Finally, go back to your home screen or any app and double tap the Assistive Touch button. Your iPhone will automatically take a screenshot. That's it. You have successfully enabled the double tap to take a screenshot feature on your iPhone. This feature can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you take screenshots frequently. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.